Thought you guys might find this interesting. This is a recent, I don't know if it's the county's budget, the state's budget, but this is a so-called convenience center in Indian River County. I call them transfer stations. That's what I've called them for 35 years, but anyway. There's a collection of palms and cycads here that's quite interesting, and quite a number of the Florida native taxa are represented here. So you've got your royal palm there, you got Sergeant's Key palm, Florida thatch, the saw palmetto is here, including there's Kunti palm, which is a zamia, and then you have Perotis as well. So Roystonia regia, Pseudophoenix sargentii, Acelia rayfridii for the Perotis palm, and let's see, what am I missing? Oh, the Serenoa repens for the palmetto. No sables. I don't see any minors or palmettos, but they're occurring on their own. There's a palmetto over there, and also pines, and those are probably hollies, like the Palatka holly over there. I'm not sure. Can't see from here. And then you got Fakahatchee grass in here. So really, and Spartina maybe, or whatever that is. Maybe muley. I can't suss it out right away. So, and that's probably an old relic sable that's there. So anyway, just somebody had some money in a budget to spend and slash pines and put all this really neat stuff. I'm most impressed by these Sergeant's Keys palms here, these Pseudophoenix. I don't know how expensive they are, but just adding them to basically a trash dump is good. I like that. If we're going to spend money on landscaping, it should be native things here. There might even be some Himalaya patens over there, firebush. So yeah, well thought out. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you guys.